how to create a Viggle account. So if you want to create a Viggle account, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Go with the search and search for Viggle AI. And go with the first search or first option, which is Viggle.ai. And here it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with try on web. And you can go with sign in with Google or sign in with email. So if you don't have an account, then you just need to simply go with sign in and it will create your account. So simply click on sign in with Google or email, whichever you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing Google. And then tap on the account that you would like to choose and click on continue. And that's it. Your account has been created. So it was that easy to create a Viggle account. By choosing continue with Google, it will take all of the data from Google and add it to your Viggle. So it will take all of the information like your personal information from Google and it will add that to your Viggle. So because of that, creating a Viggle account was that easy. So that's how you can create a Viggle account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.